Today we will learn how to install heaters in muffled furnace. First, we have to open the bolts like this. Then we have to open. In the same way, we will open the other side. See, both sides are open. We have a wire. We will do the connection later on. First we will install the carbon rods in both sides. So we will take one carbon rod, take it inside, and if we have to install it like this, it will come out from the other side. Then the second. Then we have to take third. Fourth. We have 4 carbon rods. We'll place it like this, and we have clips over with us. So join the wire and put a clip on this, on the carbon rods like this. Second. Then third clip, then fourth clip. In the same way we will do on the other side. We will place the clips on the other side like we did there. First, second, third, and fourth. We have given you the 2 clips extra, so we can close the furnace from one side. And then now we will do the wire connection. We have one of this temperature probe. You have to put in do the connection of this probe. Take the probe and put this to join with this. Open the nuts first. Like this, place the 2 wires and put the nuts in the both and place this probe in this hole. Now we will do the big wire connection, main wire connection. We have 2 big wires and 2 small wires. 2 big wires will go in the output, and in the other second output. And the small wires will go in the small outputs. You can make it tight. Now the connection is ready, and from this you can place in the main switch and your furnace is ready. Thank you.